Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson WF-2540. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. Now, unlike some Epson printers on the market, you can't replace the ink cartridges in this one simply by lifting up the printer bed and having the cradle move across automatically. Instead, we're going to have to give some prompts on the screen over here. So, over on the screen, we're going to press the menu button to go into settings. And once in here, we're going to press down 1, 2, 3 times until we have maintenance selected. Now with maintenance, we press OK. And then as you can see, ink cartridge replacement is the 4th option down. And with this prompt given, we can open up the top of the printer. Now, to get into the printer, we need to go underneath the scanner and lift the whole scanner bed. There are recesses on the left and the right, so get your fingers in there, lift it up, and the scanner bed will support itself once lifted. And as you can see, the ink cartridges have come out from the little hidey hole and are easily accessible here. So we take whichever cartridge we want to replace. I'm going to do the black. You press down. Most ink cartridges will have like a little clip on the back. You press down to get it loose. Okay. Then you take your replacement cartridge. This one has plenty of ink in there, but it isn't performing for whatever reason for our customer. So you take your new cartridge, remove any packaging that will come with. It'll almost certainly have like a polythene bag on the outside. There'll be a pull tab on the top here. The one thing you don't need to worry about is piercing the film or removing the film found on the bottom. That's done automatically by the printer as the cartridge goes in. So just put them loosely back in, press it down into place, press down at the back to make sure it's down firm, and repeat for any other cartridges. And with that done, we can just lower the scanner bed again and head back to the screen. Now we simply indicate to the printer that we've replaced all the cartridges, and it will take a look at them, making sure it's happy with all of the cartridges electronically, and this will take the machine just a second. Once you get this message, you know you're done. That's about all there is to see. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If there's anything you'd like to add, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.